Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix could not find the recovery environment error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it. After pasting this command, you just need to scroll up. In here you need to find the Windows bootloader current guys. You just need to find this one. After finding the identifier current, you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the recovery sequence. You just need to copy this code guys. Just copy this code. Copy with Control C and paste with Control V. Over here in this guide, you just need to paste it guys. After pasting it, just copy this code. After copying it code, you just need to paste over here guys. Just right click on the bar and select edit and select paste it. After pasting it, the operation completed successfully. Now you just need to copy and paste the that code and now copy and paste the last command. Press enter. Operation successful. After finishing this command, you just need to close it off here and now you can reset your PC without having any problem. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.